Stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I just want to be one of you guys.
I can't imagine a world without you in it either.